Find your perfect coffee machine. Comparing top styles. The perfect coffee machine can transform your mornings and elevate your coffee experience. Today, we're comparing 3 leading models that work in 3 different ways to try and work out which is best fit for you. We're talking the Nespresso Vertuo next, DeLonghi Magnifica S, and Breville One Touch CoffeeHouse 2. Let's explore their features, pros, cons, and who they're best suited for. The Nespresso Vertuo next is a sleek, pod-based coffee machine designed for coffee lovers seeking convenience and variety. Using centrifusion technology, it ensures a rich, consistent brew at the press of a button. Ease of use. Brewing is effortless. Just insert a capsule, press a button, and enjoy your coffee. Variety. The Vertuo line offers an extensive range of pods, catering to both espresso enthusiasts and fans of larger coffee servings. Consistent quality. Centrifusion technology spins capsules at high speeds for even extraction and optimal flavor. Compact design. Its slim profile fits seamlessly into small spaces. Quick heat-up time. This option is ready to brew in just 30 seconds, making it ideal for busy mornings. Sustainability. Made from 54% recycled materials, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Pod dependency. The machine is compatible only with Nespresso Vertuo pods, which can be costly and limit your choice of coffee beans. Environmental concerns. While Nespresso offers recycling programs, disposable pods contribute to waste. Limited customization. Users cannot adjust parameters like temperature or strength. Higher operating costs, proprietary pods can add up over time. This machine is best for coffee enthusiasts who prioritize convenience, consistent quality, and a compact design for smaller spaces. The DeLonghi Magnifica S is a fully automated bean-to-cup coffee machine that offers precision and flexibility. It's perfect for those who value freshly ground coffee and customizable settings. Bean-to-cup freshness. A built-in burr grinder ensures coffee is freshly ground for maximum aroma and flavor. Customizable settings. Adjust grind size, strength, and temperature to suit your preferences. Milk frothing capability. The manual frother creates creamy froth for cappuccinos and lattes. Easy maintenance. A removable brewing unit and drip tray simplify cleaning. Consistent performance. This machine delivers high-quality espresso with a rich creamer every time. Cost-effective. Using whole beans significantly reduces long-term operating costs compared to pods. Steeper learning curve. Customization features require some trial and error. Bulkier design. Its larger size may not be ideal for compact kitchens. Manual frothing. Unlike automatic frothers, frothing milk manually can be less convenient. Higher initial cost. Bean-to-cup machines often come with a steeper upfront investment. This is a great option for coffee aficionados who appreciate fresh beans, full customization, and don't mind a slightly larger machine. The Breville One Touch CoffeeHouse 2 combines versatility and ease of use, offering espresso, cappuccino, and latte options with its one-touch operation and automatic milk frother. One-touch operation, brew espresso, cappuccino, or latte with a single press. 19 bar pump pressure, ensures robust espresso with optimal extraction. Automatic milk frother, produces creamy barista-style froth effortlessly. Adjustable drip tray, accommodates a variety of cup sizes from small mugs to tall glasses. Stylish design, a modern aesthetic that enhances any kitchen setup. Flexible options, works with both ground coffee and pods, offering users more choice. Longer brewing time, takes slightly longer to prepare coffee compared to pod-based machines. Frequent cleaning, the milk frother and other components require regular maintenance. Limited customization, while versatile, advanced settings for grind size or strength are unavailable. Moderate learning curve. Perfecting the milk-to-coffee ratio may take some practice. This is a good option for users seeking a versatile machine with a balance of ease of use, milk frothing capabilities, and stylish design. Nespresso Vertuo next. If convenience, variety, and compact design are your top priorities, this is the machine for you. Perfect for those who want quick and consistent coffee with minimal effort. DeLonghi Magnifica S, best for coffee purists who want full control over their coffee making process and prioritize the freshness of bean-to-cup brewing. While it requires more space and effort, the results speak for themselves. Breville One-Touch CoffeeHouse 2, ideal for coffee lovers who enjoy milk-based beverages and want a balance between automation and versatility. Its one-touch operation and automatic milk frother make it user-friendly. To conclude, each of these machines has unique strengths tailored to different coffee preferences. Consider your lifestyle, space, and coffee habits to decide which one suits you best. If you enjoyed this video and discovered something new today, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy brewing!